Welcome back, beautiful family. Today, I want to share with you a very delicious Sonic strawberry bundt cake that I know you guys are going to love. But first things first, my apron is on, my hands are clean, and I am ready to show you my ingredients. To prepare this delicious and moist bundt cake, these are the ingredients. I have the non-stick baking cream that you guys already have on my channel, baking powder, eggs, vegetable oil, unsalted butter, milk, granulated sugar, all-purpose flour, vanilla extract, strawberry extract, and of course, the Sonic strawberry pudding, and a pinch of salt. This is everything we need to prepare this delicious and moist Sonic strawberry bundt cake. So let's get started. Let's start making this delicious and amazing Sonic strawberry bundt cake. I'm adding my unsalted butter, granulated sugar, a pinch of salt, vegetable oil, and of course, we are going to incorporate it completely until it's really soft and fluffy. And now I am ready to continue and adding the eggs. The eggs need to be at room temperature so your bundt cake comes out really fluffy and moist from the inside. And I'm adding a splash of vanilla extract. We're going to incorporate it. I'm going to start adding the all-purpose flour, but I'm gonna sift it. I'm gonna add the all-purpose flour and the baking powder. Once this is done, I'm going to incorporate it, making sure that there are no lumps before I add the milk. And of course, the milk is at room temperature. Look at this. Do it slowly, gradually, and this bundt cake is going to come out so good and delicious that you guys are going to continue making my amazing bundt cakes. And here I added the Sonic strawberry shake flavor. I'm adding half a teaspoon of strawberry extract. This is going to give it that light pink pastel color, but yet the flavor and the aroma are so intense that you are really going to love this bundt cake. And here I have the non-stick baking cream that you already have on my channel. Of course, when you make it with this amazing non-stick baking cream, your bundt cake is going to come out perfect. It's not going to stick. It's not going to come out with flour on the top. There's no need to add butter and then flour to your baking dish. Just add this amazing non-stick baking cream. Of course, remember to tap it to get the air bubbles out. And remember to preheat your oven to 350 Fahrenheit. It's going to go in the oven for 40 to 45 minutes. Every oven is different. And here is the topping that I'm going to use. I'm using the cream cheese at room temperature, the butter at room temperature, and I'm adding a splash of vanilla extract. And of course, I'm gonna go ahead and start mixing, getting the cream cheese really fluffy and getting and incorporating all the air into it. I'm adding the unsalted butter. Remember that all your ingredients need to be at room temperature, so this bundt cake comes out really moist and nice and fluffy from the inside. Once you've added and you've incorporated the cream cheese and the unsalted butter, now we are going to add the powdered sugar. Be careful, incorporate slowly, and once everything is really nice and fluffy, well then I'm gonna go ahead and put it in a little bag
so that I could make the decoration at the end. Of course, that the bundt cake is still in the oven, but I'm gonna go ahead and add it into a baking bag. And if you don't have one of those, you could use a regular Ziploc. Look at this. I have this bag here. I'm gonna go ahead, help myself with this glass, and then put everything in there. I'm gonna put it in the refrigerator for maybe just 30 minutes, no more than 1 hour, or else it's going to get really thick. So here I'm just gonna go ahead and push everything to the bottom, making sure that everything is in the bottom. And once you have it like this, take it to the refrigerator and leave it there. And then when the bundt cake is nice at room temperature, then you're ready to decorate. 40 minutes have passed and this Sonic Strawberry Bundt Cake is ready. Well, look at this. I'm gonna put a little stick in there. If it comes out clean, that means that the bundt cake has been cooked completely. And I'm gonna flip it over and let me show you how this looks. Let's reveal this amazing bundt cake. Look at this. It comes out really beautiful, but yet nothing sticks in the baking dish. This is exactly why you need to use the non-stick baking cream. Look how beautiful it looks from the top. Look at the texture. Nothing sticked to the baking dish. I'm gonna leave it here. I'm gonna let it rest for about an hour before I start with the decoration. And this cream cheese frosting, oh my gosh, this cream cheese frosting is amazing. I'm gonna go ahead and start making the little lines slowly until I am completely done. This really takes the longest, but believe me, once you try it, you are really going to love this amazing cream cheese frosting. If you liked this video and this recipe, please leave me a thumbs up, share my video, and subscribe. Look how moist and delicious this looks from the inside. Pastel color, light pink. Amazing. I can't wait to enjoy. But of course, I need to show you how fluffy it is from the inside. Look at this. My mouth is already watering. I can't wait to enjoy. Amazing. I'll see you in just a little bit. I am ready for the presentation, and of course, I can't wait to enjoy. So I'll see you in a bit.
My friends, I am completely done with this amazing Sonic Strawberry Bundt Cake. This is the part I really love and enjoy, tasting my recipes. The color from the inside of this bundt cake, it's light pink. The flavor, it smells just amazing. This is the part I really love and enjoy, tasting my recipes. Let's see how this came out. Of course that I need to try the cream cheese. Excuse me. Really moist. It's really fluffy, tender, and the flavor of the strawberry and the combination of the cream cheese frosting, just perfection, made at home. I hope, my friends, you could make this amazing Sonic Strawberry Bundt Cake and enjoy it with your family like I enjoyed here with my family. If you liked and loved my recipe, I invite you to subscribe, leave me a thumbs up, Share this video on social media with your friends, with your relatives, so Cooking with Gloria keeps growing. Don't forget to push that notification bell. And if you did, leave it activated. So every time I make an amazing recipe like I did today, yes, you're going to be notified. Before I say I see you soon, I wish you nothing but the best. Peace and love. I love you guys. Thank you for being here. Thank you for being part of Cooking with Gloria. Like, subscribe, and share. And see you on my next amazing recipe. Bye-bye.